New 2022 Nissan Patrol. Imagine knowing what other people actually paid for their brand new Nissan Patrol. Simply choose one of the models below, and we'll show you prices from Nissan dealers local to you. For example, we have 28 Nissan Patrol quotes and a discount of $11,156 or 12.36% off the purchase price. The Nissan Patrol has always been considered a gem in the 4WD category, but this latest version is a cut above the rest. Few cars have the pedigree to go head-to-head with the Nissan Patrol when venturing off-road, so if that's your jam, you might well be onto a winner here. It's built to go above and beyond, and you'll come to realize that the cream rises to the top for a very good reason. Nowadays, there is just the one engine powering the Nissan Patrol range, and for good reason. It is an absolute beast. Raw power is a guarantee, thanks to the 5.6-liter V8 engine under the hood. Boasting 5,552 cc and 560 Nm of torque at 4,000 rpm, this is the perfect companion to see you tackle the wilderness of the Australian countryside and come out a fighting warrior. The Nissan Patrol and the Nissan Armada share a lot of similarities, however, the Armada is made for the North American market as an alternative to the unavailable Patrol. The two SUVs are giants in their own right, sharing the same platform and underpinnings, but the Armada features a range of specific modifications designed for the American market. 2022 Nissan Patrol hit with new round of delays in Australia. Nissan has sold a record number of current generation Patrol four-wheel drives so far this year, as Australians plan to holiday at home. Now the challenge is delivering the vehicles. The 2022 Nissan Patrol is facing a new round of delays due to the ongoing semiconductor shortage impacting the global automotive industry. A confidential bulletin from Nissan Australia has advised production of the Nissan Patrol has been cancelled or severely cut back from October 2021 through to the end of February 2022. And there could be further delays. It means Nissan Patrol buyers in Australia who have already been in the queue for several months now face an indefinite wait. Nissan says it is now considering contacting customers directly about the delays, as buyers become increasingly frustrated and skeptical about future delivery estimates. Arrival timing for the Nissan Patrol has ebbed and flowed for the past 18 months, throughout much of the pandemic. In addition to the global shortage in semiconductors required to build each vehicle, Nissan and most other car companies no longer have accurate forward visibility on production schedules because the stock situation changes daily. A dealer speaking on condition of anonymity told Drive, "It's getting to the point where people don't believe you and start to cancel orders. All we can do is pass on the information we have." Everything you need to know about the 2022 Nissan Patrol. Built on 70 years of SUV heritage, the Nissan Patrol continues its legacy here in the Philippines, said NPI President and Managing Director Atsushi Najima. It is now smarter than ever and leads its class in innovation, luxury, and performance. We are offering the latest in the Patrol legacy here in the Philippines to leaders who recognize its capability, versatility, stylishness, comforts, and innovations. What exactly does the new Patrol bring to the table, then? If you want to learn more about NPI's newest offering, if you were one of those waiting for the Patrol Nismo to arrive, then we're sorry to be the bearer of bad news. Only one variant is available at launch, and it's priced at $4,548,000. The new Patrol features a snazzier front end similar to that of newer Nissans like the refreshed Terra. Aggressive-looking headlamps flank the signature V-motion grille, and a good mix of chrome adorns the entire front fascia. Redesigned taillights that match the new headlamps highlight the rear, along with a new chrome strip that stretches the width of the lift gate. The vehicle sits on 20-inch alloy wheels shod with 275/60ths R20 all-season tires. Size-wise, the Patrol measures 5,270 mm long, 1,995 mm wide, and 1,955 mm tall with a 3,075 mm wheelbase. It has 275 mm of ground clearance and a gross vehicle weight of 3,500 kilograms. It will be available in 3 colors: brilliant silver, black obsidian, and pearl white. Interior. The layout of the cabin has been retained but is now adorned in new tan leather bits for the brilliant silver exterior option that give the interior a nice contrast. There's still an abundance of premium material on the dash and the center console. Speaking of the center console, this has been reworked and fitted with updated charging ports and AC vents and controls, and a massive touchscreen display enclosed with some gloss black plastics have been added up top. Engine and specs. The Patrol is only available in our market with one engine, and that's the old 5.6-liter gasoline-powered V8 that generates 400 horsepower at 5,800 RPM and 560 Nm of torque at 4,000 RPM. This is mated to a 7-speed automatic gearbox. The SUV's suspension is comprised of a double wishbone setup with hydraulic body motion control. Ventilated discs on all ends handle stopping power. Extra features. The new Patrol is equipped with a wide range of tech, including a 12.3-inch infotainment system with Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay connectivity. This head unit is paired with a 13-speaker Bose setup. Other amenities include a 3-zone automatic climate control system, a power liftgate, a panoramic sunroof, automatic headlights, a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat, a smart keyless entry system with a push-to-start ignition, and a 7-inch advanced instrument cluster.